Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the VDC OFF light on your Infiniti G35. First, let's understand what the VDC OFF light indicates and why it illuminates. This light often signals an issue with your vehicle's stability control system. We'll cover easy steps to diagnose and potentially resolve the problem yourself, saving you time and a trip to the mechanic. Stay tuned for practical solutions. Several factors can cause your VDC OFF light to illuminate. Often, it's something straightforward like low brake fluid, which impacts the stability system's ability to function correctly. Another common issue is a malfunctioning wheel speed sensor, which provides crucial data. Sometimes, a miscalibrated steering angle sensor can also be the root cause, requiring a simple reset. Let's try some easy fixes. Begin by checking your brake fluid level, top it off if it's low. Next, with the engine running, turn your steering wheel fully to the left, then fully to the right and center it. Finally, perform the accelerator pedal release procedure. Turn the ignition on, wait 3 seconds, then press and release the accelerator pedal 5 times within 5 seconds. Wait 7 seconds, then press and hold the pedal for 10 seconds. If the VDC OFF light persists after these steps, don't worry. Your next move should be to use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to check for any stored trouble codes, which can pinpoint the exact issue. Also, visually inspect your wheel speed sensors for any obvious damage or debris. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to consult a professional mechanic for a more in-depth diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.